Let's use Scratch to draw a square. First, let's look at a project that already draws a square. We'll open up a project, and here's the code that draws the square. Let's click the green flag and watch the program run. Okay, so the black square is drawing the green square. Let's make that happen. We'll start a new project, and we'll start off with a custom a sprite, a kitty cat. We could keep the cat and use the cat to draw the square, or we could draw our own sprite. I think the cat's a little bit big and gets in the way of the square, so let's just draw our own sprite. Let's just draw a little dot. And we'll color it a color black. Okay, so now we'll get rid of the cat, go back to the scripts, and right click on the cat and delete it. And now we've got this object here, and we're going to attach the code to this object. To do that, we'll select an event. And so when this green flag is clicked, we'll drag this out into the coding area, and we'll tell the pen to, first of all, clear the screen. If we've been drawing, we'll want to clear it off. And then we'll want to put the pen down. So we drag it out here, and then we'll set the color to green. And then we might want to set the size a little bit thick so we can see it good. So we'll change the pen size from a 1 to 3. And then when we've got our pen set, we'll put it in motion. We'll go up to the motion, and we'll move some steps. Instead of 10, let's move 100 steps. And then at the end of that, we'll want to turn. And since we know a square has 90-degree angles, we'll turn 90 degrees. Instead of 15, we'll type in 90. And now we'll ask the program to wait 1 second, otherwise it would move so blindingly fast that we wouldn't be able to see what happened. So now we've got probably, let's check it, a line should draw. Yes. So now we can copy a collection of these blocks because it just will repeat the same thing. So we'll select these 3 and duplicate them, and select these 3 again and duplicate them, and select these 3 again and duplicate them. And so now we can take our blocks and we can test it. There's drawing them 2. Let's add the 3rd. And then we're missing a move here, so let's go to motion. Select a move, move 100 steps. And now let's see what we get. Okay, we've drawn a perfect square. And we can talk about the fact that each of the sides of the square are the same size, 100 units, and each corner of this square, of all squares, has 90-degree angles. And so we've combined a little bit of geometry and with some block-based coding here in Scratch, and this is how you would draw a square.